Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a few mods on the Clubman. I don't know if you guys remember this car. Haven't done a lot to it in a while, but we are doing a few things to it today. So we're going to do an intercooler, an air intake, and a downpipe. So let's get started. Installing the intercooler. So before we put the bumper back on, we're going to work on getting this downpipe out. got the downpipe all sorted. Thankfully, after days, we finally found a gasket to work from the turbo to the downpipe. The one from the dealer was $65. So that was really a last resort, and none of our auto parts store around here had one. Then the one that said that they had one, it was not the right gasket. So that was an epic fail. But we did find one that works. So we made that work. Hopefully there will be no exhaust leak. Fingers crossed when we start this thing up. But now we gotta put the intake in. So this should be pretty quick. If I had a new Clubman, I'd definitely have that thing all blacked out and slammed. I want that thing in Grand Show. And that's what its license plate would say. This is my first time driving the Clubman with the intercooler and the downpipe and the intake on. So we will see. I've driven this car with the intake and the downpipe at different points, but now everything's back on together. It's been a long time since I've driven it not stock. So I'm very interested to see how this is because I think boost might be up a little higher according to all the reviews I've seen. So we'll see. Wow, could there be more traffic? It's still pretty tame for being catless, or at least the first cat, because it has a JCW exhaust, so no complaints, but it does have a more sound, which is nice. So overall, the intercooler seems like a really good upgrade, especially if you're somebody that tracks and you are in your higher RPMs more often. I think you'll feel this as long as you are stock ECU. Obviously the tune changes everything, so I can't speak on that because I only have a stock ECU in this car. But I think if you're somebody that just street drives, this might not be the most preferred modification for you if you like your lower RPM boost. These cars tend to have more low-end boost where it has the twin scroll turbo, so if you like that, this might not be the best for you because it kind of decreases that. But the tune will change that if you do decide to get tuned. The downpipe by itself will give you more throttle response for both street and track, but I think the whole combination would be stellar on the stock ECU if you were to track one of these. If you get the tune, obviously things will change. You'll get more powers, the upgrades will be used in a certain way. Obviously the ECU is going to be told a completely different way to handle these, so I'm just going based off of my stock ECU. Obviously you guys do what you like, just letting you know what I think of it. So overall, I really like it. I think it's a lot of fun to drive. The little extra noise is great. Obviously you can pair this up with an aftermarket exhaust, get more sound. I like cars pretty quiet personally, so I definitely want to keep it on the low. I like that it just has a little more noise to the cabin and a decent amount of noise on the outside with the JCW exhaust. So overall, I'm stoked with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope talking about this and the effects that it's had on the car helps you guys at least a little bit. Let me know if you guys do it below and what you think. Peace out.